probably already have plants growing in your yard right now, and you're still buying tomatoes at the store. That's not a growing problem. That's not a soil problem. That's not even a watering problem. That's a design problem, a layout that is starving your family. And the moment you fix your layout, the moment you stop treating your plants like isolated decorations and start treating them like a living system, everything changes. Everything changes when the system begins to breathe. Everything changes when the system begins to breathe. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you the exact plant layout that transforms any yard. That transforms any yard from a quarter acre to a full acre into a living food machine that produces vegetables, fruit, and herbs every single month of the year, no matter what the weather says. No expensive inputs, no complicated systems, just plants, placed correctly, working together the way nature always intended. The forgotten design. If you've ever felt like your garden gives you a little in summer, here's something that surprises most plant lovers. Humans grew food differently. They didn't have rows. They had systems, interconnected and resilient. Before industrial agriculture told us that farming meant rows of a single crop, humans grew food completely differently. They followed the natural flow. Small landholders designed their plots in concentric rings. Zone design, a strategy that maximizes yields while minimizing the labor required. The most labor-intensive plants closest to the door. High traffic, high care. The perennial trees and shrubs in the middle, the hardy survivors at the edge. Every plant fed into the next one. A closed-loop system, no waste. Animals fed the soil fed the plants fed the family. Fallen fruit fed the animals. It was a self-sustaining engine of life. The soil stayed rich without ever buying a single bag of fertilizer. It worked on less land than most backyards. Then industrial agriculture arrived and convinced us that a single backyard could never feed a family. They were wrong. That's not true. It's just forgotten. We're remembering it together. Today, we unlock the secrets of the zone system. Your land is ready. Here's the full system at a glance. 6 zones, each designed for a job, each one feeding into the next, a living machine built with plants. Zone 1 is your daily harvest zone, right outside your door, the heart. Zone 2 is your perennial food forest, trees that feed you for decades. Zone 3 is protein. Zone 4 is pollinators. Zone 5 is preservation. And Zone 6 is your living perimeter. Let's walk through each one. Zone 1 lives within 30 feet of your back door. Highest traffic. The plants here need daily attention. If they are close, you will care. Fresh herbs for every meal, right at your fingertips. No wasted time. You'll actually give them the care they need because they are right there. Salad greens, culinary herbs, cherry tomatoes, radishes, edible flowers. The things you reach for every single meal, fresh and alive. The secret here is succession planting. Never leave a bed empty. Plant a new row every 2 weeks. The cycle never stops. Always new. When one harvest finishes, the next is already producing. Never hit zero. A constant, uninterrupted stream of food for your family. No gaps. In winter, a simple cold frame keeps spinach and kale alive through frost. One bed can give 200 pounds a year. Winter production is key. Place your compost bin at the edge of Zone 1. No wasted steps. Scraps walk from counter to bin to bed. Just a perfect circle. Imagine the independence. You have room for 8 to 10 of these beds. Harvesting seconds before you eat. Tastes better, and it's essentially free. Zone 2 begins 30 feet from your house. Production on autopilot. This is your long-term insurance policy, the perennial food forest. A system that mirrors a natural forest, but everything is edible. Every layer produces something, from the canopy down to the roots. At the top, tall fruit trees, apple, pear, plum, peach, small trees below. Below those, berry bushes and strawberries. Every layer is a harvest. Once established, it requires almost zero maintenance. No more tilling, no replanting every season. Nature does the heavy lifting for you. After 2 years, no daily watering is needed. A single tree can produce 400 legumes. Imagine the yield. You'll have more fruit than you can handle, forever. On just a quarter acre, you're producing thousands of pounds, forever. This is a legacy you plant once and harvest for decades. True abundance. Most gardeners think protein comes from animals. Plants do it too. Ancient civilizations thrived on plant-based protein. Your yard can too. Zone 3 is your protein zone. beans, chickpeas, lentils, and peas, and amaranth. These are the staples that keep your family full. Comfrey alone can be cut 5 times a year, 20% protein. Feed your soil and your animals at the same time. One plant, many jobs. Plant Zone 3 near your food forest. Legumes fix nitrogen in the soil. Free fertilizer, created right where it's needed by the plants themselves. Zone 4 is the zone most plant lovers undervalue, the multiplier. Without this zone, your production is capped. With it, sky is the limit. Active pollination can increase your yields by 50% every time. If you build it, they will come, and they will work for you for free. Fill it with plants that bloom in sequence: borage, lavender, calendula. The pollinator corridor is a highway of life keeping you humming. Growing food all year means nothing if you can't store it. Your winter bridge, summer surplus becomes winter security. Escape the grocery trap. You need 3 systems: canning, dehydrating, and root storage. Protect your harvest from the heat and the light. Keep it fresh. With these running, your summer harvest becomes your winter pantry. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you have 6 months of food already. The final zone, the living perimeter, making the system self-sustaining. The living wall, privacy, protection, and production all in one boundary. Mulberry for food, comfrey for mulch, and nitrogen-fixing trees. A wall that feeds you, that shelters your garden, forever, free. This is one living machine. Zone 1, scraps feed the compost. Cycle. Every part of the system relies on the other. A symphony of design. The biggest mistake: your garden is too far from your door. Close. If you have to put on boots to pick a tomato, you won't do it as often. Keep it close. Efficiency. This is what it looks like when it's running. Your land gives everything. A life of abundance right in your backyard. The system unlocked. Which zone are you starting with? Tell me in the comments. Join us. Don't miss the next step to food sovereignty. Hit the bell, subscribe. Your land is enough. You just need the layout. Start today. Now.